Hi everyone, this is Halak and welcome to another Java tutorial session. In this tutorial I will be introducing GUI development using IntelliJ's ideas IDE, and this is version 14. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, I want to actually sketch very roughly the form that I want to create using IntelliJ. Okay, so excuse my really bad drawing. Okay, so here I'm going to have a label given names. Okay, and I'm going to have a text box here. Okay, it allows the user to type, and then I'll have a surname, and it's going to be right justified here. Okay. Another name. And I can have others as well, so I may include mobile number, for example. Okay, and they're all going to be string types. So this is a colon, and an email address. Okay. Okay. And then down here, I'm going to have two buttons. Okay, so I'm just going to have show two. So here it'll say add contact. Okay. Not sure about enough space. Okay, and this other button I'm not going to do much. I'm just going to let's just say ignore. Just want to show you the layout. Okay, so the way I'm going to tackle this is that first I'm going to very simply, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the border layout first. So I'm going to draw another one. So this will be the same form, but I'm drawing in the layout that I want to use. Okay, so I'm going to have okay, so the border layout, it gives you north, west, east, and south. But I'm only going to be using west and east. Okay, so this is west and this is east, and the bottom will be south, which will house the buttons. Okay, it'll look a lot better when I finish. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. And in here, okay, so this is the box layout. And what I'm going to do in here is I'm going to use, okay, so first of all, I'm just going to put the acronym first on the outer one. I'm going to use border layout. And in here, I'm going to use a grid layout. Okay, so grid layout. See, and grid layout here as well. And grid layouts basically will allow me to add, as I add components, for example, the labels here, it'll just be in columns. Okay, all right, so you can manually code this to actually allow multiple columns, but we're not using any in IntelliJ's default install. There's no freeform design. For example, NetBeans comes right out of the box allowing you to have freeform design. Okay, so you choose to go with NetBeans, and you don't have to deal with all this. Okay, you can draw in freeform. There are plugins for IntelliJ, but you require a license. It's called JForm Designer. Okay, so that allows you freeform as well. Okay, so for now we'll just use grid layout, and then down here I'm going to use flow layout. Okay, so flow layout, basically if I add one button, there's more room. It'll add it beside it. Okay, so this is the layout that I want to actually create in IntelliJ. Okay, so I'm gonna stop the video here, and in the next tutorial I will build this this form in IntelliJ. Okay, so see you in the next tutorial. Take care. Bye.